Welcome back. Looking for a personal injury or family law attorney? Here is Yanique Otto with the Otto Law Group on why her firm is the perfect fit for you. Yanique, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you, Dave?
I'm doing great, thank you. Thank you for asking. Your law group, tell us about it.
Okay, at the Otto Law Group, we handle two types of matter, family law and personal injury. So on the family law side, we work with individuals who are facing any kind of family matter that has a legal component. So we're talking things like divorce, child custody, child support, paternity matters. Sometimes we deal with families who are relocating to other jurisdictions and they need a court adjudication as to who can take the kid or not. And then we also deal with some domestic violence issues and adoption. That's the family side. And then you have the personal injury side. We're working with individuals who've been in car accidents, or maybe they have a slip and fall, or they're otherwise injured as a result of someone else's negligence.
You will give the contact information in a few minutes, website, phone number, whatever you'd like, but I'm just curious for people watching who think they might want to come see you now.
Sure.
What advice might you give somebody if they're thinking about giving you a call or coming in?
You mean what my number is?
Well, you could do the number, or what might make someone
want to come in.
It's time to come in.
I understand. Okay, so on the family law side, you're going to be looking at things like, is my marriage at the end? And that's never something that people want to face. But when you get to that point, whether by choice or because perhaps you've been served with a legal document, which gives you 20 days to respond to the other person's decision, then you may need to consider hiring an attorney. And that's where we would step in. We do provide free consultations to the public, so you can always come in. Whether you choose to hire us or not, we'll at least sit with you for 15 minutes, talk to you about your legal issue, and let you know how we can assist you. A lot of clients choose to hire us at that point, and some people just take that information and go forth and represent themselves. But we definitely want to be available to the community and allow them to at least speak with an attorney, because I feel like for so many people, they may feel that hiring an attorney, or at least even speaking with an attorney, is out of reach for them. So we do offer that free service to the community to allow them that opportunity.
That's great. So tell us about peacefuldivorce.com.
So Peaceful Divorce is a completely separate entity. This is a mediation company through which we offer services that are slightly different, very different actually, than what we offer through the Otto Law Group. With this company, we're working with families or couples who are going through a divorce but want to do so in a very painless process, if you will. So we're looking at people who want to get a divorce, but they don't want to go to court. They don't want to litigate. They're looking to do this without the intervention of someone else. They want to make those decisions themselves as far as how their assets get divided, where their children will be, and all the various legal issues that need to be decided. So when I'm working with Peaceful Divorce, I'm really acting as a Florida Supreme Court certified family law mediator, not as an attorney.
Yeah, and that's a different dynamic for you, right? Like one day you wear your mediator hat, and then the next day you're the attorney hat.
Exactly, and people ask me all the time, how do you go from being this peaceful, like everybody come together, let's make it work, to this person in court who is defending the rights of one of the parties. Now, obviously, I can never play both roles in any single case. So either I'm your mediator, working with both of you, or I'm an attorney representing one of you, depending on how you came to me and what you presented, and whether you hired me as an attorney or a mediator.
Do you have to get in the zone personally before you do either one of these? Are you like, okay, today I'm a mediator, I'm going to drink herbal tea?
Well, you know what? If I had to do that, I would probably never go to work and succeed, because I am literally both things in the same day on many times.
Right.
So sometimes I'm in court defending the rights of a personal injury or a family litigant, and then later that afternoon I have a 2 o'clock mediation. So I do have to get in the zone, but it's like a quick, like, let's switch hats. Litigator, right. Mediator.
You're like decaf, regular, espresso, whatever.
Exactly.
Tell me about the work you do in the community.
So in the community, we try as much as possible to serve the needs of others. As I mentioned earlier, we offer a free consultation, which we think is a way that we can benefit and serve the community on the legal aspect, okay? But in addition to that, one of the things that I pride myself in doing, and it brings me a lot of joy, and we've been doing it now for the last 10 years, is that every morning, Christmas morning, we visit a local hospital and we bring gifts for the children. We sing carols for them. If they want prayer, we offer that as well. We spend some time with the families, because you can imagine what it's like to be a child in the hospital on Christmas morning or to have a child in the hospital on Christmas morning. So we have a nonprofit. It's called Give Back the Holidays. You can check us out on givebacktheholidays.com. But through that medium, we just try to bring some cheer and some joy.
That's fantastic. Well, you're making such a difference in the community. Great to have you on our show. If people want to reach out to you at the Otto Law Group, how can they do it?
Well, you can give us a call at 855-YES-AUTO. It's our toll-free number. Again, it's 855-937-6886. Or you can check us out on our social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Otto Law Group.
There it is. And I figured out your solution to be mediator and attorney.
Tell me.
Half calf.
Yeah. Half and half.
Half and half, yeah.
I like it.
Good to see you.
My pleasure, and thank you.
You got it.